What is the cleaning validation? Answer: cleaning validation. As per PDE Technical Report 49, cleaning validation demonstrate or procedure to ensure that the cleaning process adequate and constantly remove the product residue, process residue and environmental contamination from the clean equipment or systems. Next question: when we should perform cleaning validation? Answer is: cleaning validation should be conducted for the initial qualification of manufacturing process or equipment. Further, product cleaning verification should be done in case of major change in the cleaning procedure or equipment. Question: which guideline referred for cleaning validation? Sir है USFDA guideline for cleaning procedure section 21167 in 21 CFR. Second one है European Medicine Agency, that is EMA guideline for cleaning validation, Appendix 3 of ICH Q3 R4. WHO guideline for cleaning validation, Annexure 2 section 5.2 and 112.7. Pharmaceutical Inspection of Corporation scheme, that is PICS PI 0461 guideline, PDE Technical Report 29 or PDE Technical Report 49 for consider for cleaning validation. Next question: what is the MACO, NOEL and PDE term used in cleaning validation? Answer is MACO is a maximum allowed carryover. NOEL the amount of drug in mg that does not having any effect on healthy human. P the permitted daily exposure of active in the clean product in the mg. Next question: what is the formula of MAC calculation? Answer is a MAC is a TD into BS into SF upon LLD, where TD is a single therapeutic dose, BS the base size of next product in manufacturing the same equipment, SF the safety factor, LDD the largest daily dose the next product to manufacture in the same equipment. Next question: why 3 cleaning cycles are considered for cleaning validation? Consecutive 3 cleaning cycle data give enough satisfaction information to conclude on repeatability result. 1 or 2 batch data may found insufficient or obtain data from the more batch probability to give repeated result. As per PDA Technical Guideline 29 suggests the 3 consecutive batch cycle run. Next question: what is the dirty hold time? Answer: the dirty hold time DHT is defined as the time of end of manufacturing until the beginning of the end of wet cleaning process. The DHT shall be specified in the cleaning validation protocol for product or group of products. Next question: what is the clean hold time? Answer: cleaning hold time CHT is defined as the time for the end of the valid cleaning process until the beginning of the manufacturing process. CHT may be performed as a part of cleaning process validation protocol or may be performed as a standalone protocol. Thank you. Next question: which hold time shall be valid during cleaning validation? Answer: as per PDA, maximum allowable hold time for piece of equipment shall be validated for following 3 cases: A. After use, before use or re-cleaning. B. After use, before cleaning. C. If appropriate, cleaning before sanitation should be validated. Question: what are the commonly used sample technique during cleaning validation? First one, rinse sampling. Second one, swab wipe sampling. Third one, coupon sampling. Fourth one, solvent sampling. Fifth one, placebo sampling. And sixth one, product sampling. What you should do first, rinse or swab if you are doing both? It is advisable to perform final rinse before swab sampling, so no one interference from swab sample could be affect the rinse sample. Next question: what is the equipment grouping or product grouping? Answer: for equipment grouping, Identical similar equipment can be grouped. Equipment grouping can be done through scientific rationale. That equipment having same design and construction can be grouped for validation purpose. This may reduce the total number of validation runs necessary to demonstrate consistency of cleaning process. Product grouping may be grouped if they are cleaned by the same cleaning process. Product grouping can be done considering the solubility, ADE, APE level and cleanability. Next question. Which study shall be performed for cleaning agent during cleaning validation? During cleaning validation cycle, the quantity of cleaning agent, their concentration and their addition rate must be studied. Method of storage, expiry dating, inventory control shall be covered during cleaning validation.